Hi guys, how are you? So today we're going to read the new book for this week, and the book is called The The Kitten. See? Kitten. And can you tell me what a kitten is? Is it a dog? Is it an elephant? Hmm. Yes, it is a baby cat. See? The kitten is a baby cat. When the cat gets older, then you just call it cat. But when it's a baby, you say kitten. K, k, kitten. What can you see in the picture? So you have the kitten, and what is this colorful round object? It's a ball. There you go. And see, the kitten is next to a gate. It's called a gate. It's like a door. See? So, what color is the kitten? Bit orange with yellow eyes. See? There you go. That's the kitten. There you go. So let's see what happened to this kitten. So, first, what can you see in the picture? There is a blue car. See? And then you have also the tree, some clouds, and a house. Very good. So look at this. It says, a kitten at sat by a car. A kitten sat by a car. See, the kitten, maybe she's waiting for somebody. So by by a means when you're near. So the kitten is near, as you can see, near the car. So a kitten sat by a car. Now, what about the next one? Where does the kitten go? Or where is the kitten sitting by? What is it? It's a bike. There you go. Do you have a bike? But what color is this bike? See? Very good. Pink. So now she 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 sat by a bike. She sat by a bike. First, she was sitting by a car, and now she's sitting by a bike. You can see. Very good. And now she's moving on. Now, where is she sitting by? See, she moved from the bike to the, what is this? There you go. A tree. Now we say she sat by a tree. She sat by a tree. There you go. See, she's moving from different places. Now, what is the next place she goes to? See, similar from the book, the beginning. So remember this one. How do you call this? Where you have a door, like really big space to get in. This is a gate. Gate. G, g, gate. Which letter has the word gate? G, g, gate. Very good. It's the letter G. See? So she sat by a gate. She sat by a gate now. Wow, she's moving. Maybe she's getting into the house. What do you think she will sit by in the next picture? Let's see. Now, see this one. This is like a long line where you can walk. So this is called a path. Path. See? So she sat by a path. She sat by a path. So now she's sitting near this, see? So you can walk on this part, and that's fine because that's what they are made of. So she sat by a path over here. Now, what do you think is going to be the next thing she will sit by? Now, she sat by a ball. Ball. Very good. See? She sat by a ball. Now she's sitting near the colorful ball. Do you have one of these ones? A colorful ball? Very good. See? She looks curious. Maybe she's expecting someone. Do you think someone will open the door? Let's see. Now, she sat by a or door. She sat by a door. See? She's like knocking or scratching the door, asking to open up. And who's there watching? Who's there watching from the window? Who's that? It's a boy. He's looking through the window. See? Who is he looking at? The kitten. Remember? Baby cat. Kitten. And now the baby cat is happy. See the kitten? She sat by me. He said. She sat by me. Now, how does the cat look like? Is it sad? Is it angry? No, it's happy because she now is sitting by the boy. Very good. So those are some of the words that we studied today. So I want you to look at this. I have some of these words. So you're going to help me to cross out the word that is not correct. See? So we have A and B. Which word is kitten? Kitten. Kitten. Is it A or is it B? What is the correct option of the kitten? The baby cat. Very good. The correct one is A. So we need to cross out option B. Now, number two, sat. Sat. What is the correct spelling for at? Is it A or is it B? At. Remember, the kitten sat by many places and many objects. There you go. The correct answer is A. At. So let's cross out B again. Now, by. Remember that word? She sat by a tree. She sat by a ball. She sat by a gate. What is the correct spelling of by? Is it A or B? By. Nice work. The correct answer is B. So we need to cross out option A. And the last one, since the kitten it's female, so we say she. What is the correct spelling of she? Remember, we say she sat by a car, she sat by a tree, she sat by me. Now, what is the correct spelling? Is it A, she, or B, she? There you go. The correct one is A. So we cross out B. Excellent, guys. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this story and have a good day, guys. So take care.